Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. I know there is so much going on around the world right now, and I just want to say that I'm sending all my love to everyone. For today's video, we will be doing this glam transformation. So I will be showing you how I did this hair and this makeup. A couple videos back, I did an Amazon haul and I asked you guys if you would be willing to see a tutorial on how to use this Revlon blow dryer and hair brush, and so many of you said that you were interested, so of course here it is. I will have it linked down below in the description box if you are interested in purchasing it, and I will also mention all the products used in today's video. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. I post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. I just got out of the shower and we'll be starting with our hair today. So I will be giving my hair a blowout and showing you how I use this Revlon one-step blow dryer and hairbrush tool. I absolutely love using this to give my hair a blowout. It is so easy. I just want to say that your hair needs to be wet when using this, but it can't be super damp. After coming out of the shower, you do want to wait a while for it to air dry a little, or else it will take too much time for the brush to actually dry your hair, and it'll also help not make so much frizz. I have so much hair and my hair is naturally frizzy, so what I like to do is use this Dove Style Care Frizz Proof Cream Serum. Doesn't work miracles, but I have seen a difference when I do use it, and it smells amazing. So I do go ahead and put this in my hair before using the hair tool. Not too much really, just mostly on the top of my hair. Underneath, because all the hair on top is weighing on it, it doesn't get very frizzy. It's more so just the top, so that's where I will put just a little bit. And because I have so much hair, I do have to part my hair in two when doing this, so I'll just take about half. I'm not too precise. I'll just pin up about half like this and start with the bottom half of my hair, and then we'll move on to the top half. Also, after using this, I will be going in with a hair straightener just to tone down the frizz. There are different settings on this brush, and I like to put it on the highest setting. If your hair is more fragile and you don't want to burn it, you can always put it on the lighter setting. There is a cool, a low, and a high. I personally use the high. So I use about this much hair. You don't want to take too little and you don't want to take too much either. And the technique that I have found that helps the most with the frizz is when I am going downwards. So you can either go in like that, or what I have found that helps the most is when I put the brush over my hair and then go in a downwards motion. And you'll see how I do it. You do have to do it over and over and over again until your hair does dry. So let's get started and I'll show you how it works. So of course, let's put it on high first. As you saw, when I reach the bottom of my hair, I do twist it like this, just so that you get that little curl at the bottom. For the frizz, we will be going in with the straightener later when we're completely done blowing it out, and it'll help just tone it down. But yeah, it's super simple. That's what you have to do for the rest of your hair. And so you see how at the bottom, you'll just get that little wave, but for the most part, it'll be straight with just a voluminous look. For the look that I'm going for today, my bangs will be straight, but I do want to show you guys how I do blow them out when I do want more of a voluminous curly look. So you don't want to include the bangs in when you are doing this motion, just because as you can see, mine just get very frizzy. What I do is take both of them on each side. Like this, and then we'll go back and forth and I'll show you how to do it. And you see how you get them to be like that, and then just have to play with them a little. Now I'll go in with my hair straightener just to tone down all this frizz. I've been using this one for so many years. It's from Chi, not sure how you pronounce it, but it is amazing. I definitely recommend getting yourself one of these hair straighteners. I won't pass over all of my hair, just mostly where there is frizz, so at the top. And I don't want to do it too much because I am going for that voluminous look. Now to tie our hair up, I'm going to leave my bangs out. I don't measure it exactly. I just go like this and take the same amount here. Now we can move on to the makeup. So I brought you closer so you can see all my pimples and imperfections. So I won't go too into detail with every step that I'm doing and every product that I'm using, just because it is the exact same as the last makeup tutorial that I showed you guys. So I'll go a little more quickly through it. Of course, the first step is to prime. And today I'll be using this NYX Angel Veil primer. I like to massage it in between my fingers first, and then massage it into my skin. I do concentrate this more in the T-zone area. I like this primer because first of all, it is affordable. You can get it at the drugstore, and it doesn't make you, it does fill in your pores, but doesn't leave your skin feeling too matte and dry. Then I'll go in with concealer. As I mentioned to you guys in my last video, I haven't been using foundation. I just go in with 2 different shades of concealer. So I'll go in with a darker one here. I have to cover up all those breakouts. And then with the lighter shade, I will go right under my eyes to brighten that area and just cover the dark circles. This is my absolute favorite concealer. I have gone through so many tubes of this. It blends in so well into the skin and doesn't make you look cakey, and it lasts all day, even in hot weather. And my favorite way of blending this out is with the Beauty Blender. I have tried it out with a brush as well, and it does the job, but I still prefer it with the Beauty Blender. Now that I'm all done blending that out, I go in with my favorite MAC powder and set the whole face. To bronze up my skin and contour at the same time, I will be using this NYX Butter Bronzer. I love it, and I'll just be using it on this big paddle brush. I won't go too precise with the contour. I just want a very bronzed look today. To bronze up my skin even more, I'll be going in with this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is key if you really want a bronze look. Go in with a light hand because it is very pigmented and warm, so you don't want to look too orange either. I won't be going in with any blush today because I do want, like I said, more of a bronze look, but of course we need some highlight. For today, I really want a popping highlight, so my favorite one to use is from Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. So I'll put that right over the cheekbone area here. On the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, around my eyebrow, and a bit on the chin. And then I'll just blend everything together. That's the key with doing makeup. You always want to blend, blend, blend. You don't want any harsh lines. Now let's set the face with this Morphe Continuous Settings Mist. Now we can move on to the eyes. I won't be doing anything too complicated. I'll be using this Natasha Denona Camel palette that I got from Sephora. This is pricey, but trust me, her eyeshadows are amazing. They blend out so well. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe M330 brush and take the two lightest shades. Just gonna mix them together and blend them into the crease. I like this brush because it is tapered, so it helps really focus the product in the crease and not bring it too high or too much on the lid. I do have hooded eyelids, so I try to leave my lid as blank as I can, just so that it does open up my eye. Then I'll go in with my Sigma E40 brush, which is just more bigger and fluffier, to just blend out the top. And that's it for the crease. Now for the eyelid, I will be using the shade that is in here, and I'll be using this Morphe G20 brush to apply it. To make it pop even more, I will go in with my finger, and you'll see how much that makes the pigment show even more. Now we can go ahead and blend that out so we have no harsh lines. For my bottom lashes, I will be putting the smallest amount of those same two shades that we used for the crease. Using that same Laura Geller highlight, I'll just highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And that's it for the eyeshadow. I'll go ahead and put some lashes on, and I will be right back. The lashes are on, and I did go ahead and fill in my eyebrows quickly. Now all we have left is the lips. First, I'm gonna line them with this MAC Whirl lip liner. This is not gonna show through the lipstick that we'll be putting on top, but I just like to use it so that I can really shape my lips the way I like them and then just fill it in with the lipstick. So I do like to overline them just a bit. And today I will be using the Bombshell liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. And that's it. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are interested in purchasing the blow dryer, I will have it linked down below for you guys, and all the products that I did mention will also be mentioned down below in the description box. Like this video if you did enjoy it and want me to make more of these types of videos, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!